The Married Women's Property Act, MWPA, 1874 provides paramount protection for the wife and the children of the insured. Under no circumstances can creditors impound, take, the sum insured of a policy. Starting a family is quite a responsibility. While people do so, they consider buying term life insurance to financially protect their partner and children in case anything were to happen to them. However, what if your family couldn't get access to the said benefit, especially when it's their sole backup? At times, the financial burden of managing daily expenses and future requirements can take a toll on your family members. For those who have taken a huge loan or are running a business in debt, the creditors or lenders can claim the sum assured of the term plan. In such a situation, your family is left with little to nothing in hand when you have been paying the premiums to financially secure their needs. To avoid such a situation from affecting your spouse and children, you can purchase term life insurance under the Married Women's Property Act, MWPA, 1874. The Married Women's Property Act is intended to protect the property owned by women from relatives and creditors. Under this act, any property belonging to the women remains unattached even if the court attaches the husband's properties for repayment of the debt. The property is also protected in case of untimely death of the husband and bank wants to recover the dues through selling his assets. Therefore, while buying life insurance, it is important for the husband to get it under the MWP Act that will protect the financial interests of his wife and children. Benefits of Married Women's Property ACT. The life to be insured has no direct control over the policy. The policy proceeds go to the trustee. The policy not being a part of married man's estate cannot be taken for tax attachment, court attachment, and by any of his creditors unless the customer took this policy with the intent to defraud creditors. Families can be protected from risk of financial loss, business uncertainties. MWPA provides the married woman with secured money for her livelihood and provide for children's education. The policyholder reserves the right to revoke the appointment of trustees. Beneficiaries being the owner of the policy can obtain a loan under the policy. Beneficiaries can surrender the policy. Beneficiaries can assign the policy. For more details, contact Viral Vora, CFP, +91 99252 43943.